Welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem from the topic trigonometry. Let's begin with the LHS. We are given in the LHS side 4 cos power 6 theta minus sin power 6 theta minus cos cube 2 theta. From this expression we need to simplify and should be able to get 3 cos 2 theta. So let's express cos power 6 theta as cos square theta whole cube minus sin square theta whole cube minus cos cube 2 theta. Here we can see this is a cube minus b cube. So using the formula of a cube minus b cube, we can write a minus b into a square cos square theta whole square, that is cos power 4 theta, plus ab, that is cos square theta sin square theta, plus b square, b is sin square theta, so sin power 4 theta, minus cos cube 2 theta is equals to, this will be cos 2 theta, right? Now again let's write cos power 4 theta as cos square theta whole square, then sin power 4 theta as sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta sin square theta as it is, and then minus cos cube 2 theta is equals to 4 cos 2 theta. Now let's use a square plus b square formula here, that is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, right? And we have plus cos square theta plus sin square theta as it is, and ultimately minus cos cube 2 theta. This can be written as 4 cos 2 theta. This is equal to 1, right? So 1 minus 2 plus 1. So this is minus cos square theta sin square theta minus cos cube 2 theta. After this, let's write this as cos 2 theta times 4 minus 4 cos square theta minus sin square theta minus cos cube 2 theta. So we take this 4 inside the bracket, right? Equals to cos 2 theta 4 minus, this is actually 2 cos theta sin theta whole square, right? 2 cos theta sin theta is sin 2 theta, so that is sin square 2 theta. Here we can write sin square 2 theta minus cos cube 2 theta is equals to cos 2 theta 4 minus sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta, right? So this will be 1 minus cos square 2 theta. Let's write this as big bracket, right? Minus cos cube 2 theta is equals to cos 2 theta into 4 minus 1 plus cos square 2 theta minus cos cube 2 theta is equals to cos 2 theta 3 plus cos square 2 theta minus cos cube 2 theta. This will be 3 cos 2 theta plus cos cube 2 theta minus cos cube 2 theta. So this and this cancel out. We are left with 3 cos 2 theta, which is the RHS. Hence proved. I hope you understood the solution. If you have any confusion, please comment below. Thank you.